Hello everybody, my name is Patrick. I'm an aspiring woodworker and I want woodworking to be my dream job. I want it to be the thing I do for the rest of my life. Usually in every video I do, I take one step forward toward that goal. Sometimes I take 2.5 steps backwards. That just happens. Every Friday is cleanup day at the place I do my woodworking, and there's a in-house vacuum system and it exhausts right over there. So every time the vacuum runs, it's really loud, so it is what it is, and I only have about 2 hours of recording for this entire week, and that's right now. It's never gonna stop. So today I want to take a step backwards from where I would normally be working on a project like a table or a cabinet or cutting board or something of those sorts. And I want to get some organization done. And you can probably see in the camera behind me, you can. Perfect. So you can see behind me, I have put this together. It just holds my drills, holds my router, and that's the start. Now when it comes to organization in this shop, everything's organized in that it's in a pile of a whole bunch of other things. And I usually know which pile it's in. But I want to start knocking out some things and get things going a little bit more organized and such. So on the screen is a list. I might be really close, I don't know. There's a list of things and I want to try to get as many of them done as I can. It's probably not going to be many things. But the first thing I want to do is I want to figure out clamp storage, because the bucket of clamps is just annoying to deal with. So that's my number one priority, is clamp storage. So it makes the most sense to have the longest ones higher up. But I don't really want to deal with building around a bracket. And I want to get as close to the wall as I can. So I think essentially I might be doing this in stages. So I'll make room for all of the tall clamps at the very top, as high as I can put a mark, essentially. So dang it, I forgot the heater was on. Piece of plywood. This is going to go like so. It will be screwed in from the back. The plywood will be then screwed onto the wall. And I will have grooves cut out on this piece of wood. I've got markings, the most terrifying thing ever, Mark II, and hopefully I got 2 earplugs. I do. Perfect. So, I'm going to try not to lose a finger. And get this done. The plan. Get rid of all these uglies. Perfect. I don't think she going nowhere. Now, we're back over here. Let's take a look-see at the wall. So I want to get this fairly high up. There's should be studs behind that. Where they are, I suppose, I don't know. But such a device was invented for this very reason. So right where these holes are, and right where these holes are. Perfect. So if we take this guy, just squeeze him in here. That looks about level. What do you guys think? Is that level? Oh, did I lose you guys again? Yeah, you guys died. You guys die a lot. Okay. Huh. Doesn't that look great? Nice. Now, that is not all my clamps. I still have more, but it is, at the very least, most of them. Yeah. Here, you just sit right up here. Perfect. Okay, so that's most of the clamps. Project number 2, I'm going to make some drawers. And they're going to slide like so. Now my plywood panels might be too thin, because if it goes like this, if it goes up too much, it'll go down, but it shouldn't actually be able to move like that. So I'm going to cut this scrap MDF I have here to 4.5 inch pieces, and those will be like drawer slide spacers essentially. Okay, so now just facing this way, got a whole bunch of pieces here. Some are different lengths, but that's like mega broken. Yeah. This is the worst tripod I have ever used in my life. Okay, there we go. We're back. So my tripod appears to have broken. So and we're back. Okay. So, boom, like so, and then now I will have to figure out which side is. Disgusting. Okay. Now, I do need one more thing. And that is this piece of wood, cut to 16 3/8. Yeah, I can just look at that and tell the distance. I'm that good. will say, this angle. Did I just break it? Or did it push in? I hope I didn't just break it. If I broke it, where did it go? Oh man, that would be so unfortunate if this thing's broken. I need it. I need it. It is 100% broken. And that sucks a lot. Oh. Oh, I know where it is. It's still in the wood. That's funny. Okay, let's go right next to it. I think my plan will be to actually try and build this thing inside. So I'll use this level here because I can just kind of remove all the other levels and I can just go, okay, this to the end, boom, boom, with some tack nails. I can just give it like a little bit of a space or something. Boom, boom, boom. Same thing on the other side. Just cutting everything kind of to size using the air nailer. Okay, well, thank you all for watching. If this is the end, if it's not the end, then yeah, see you later.